Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis' IC Lab. In today's video I decided to make a mini arc reactor. I decided it would be a fun, simple, easy project to do, and something that if you guys want to do, it would be pretty simple to follow along and do like the same things. So I started out by drawing like a miniature version of the mini arc reactor I'm drawing, and like figure out how many of those wire coils has wrapped around it, which has 10 wrapped around it in case you're wondering. So I'm just drawing out a big full-size plan and then working on drawing it out on plastic, which I'm gonna cut out for the actual arc reactor. So as you may have noticed, this is a day that I haven't usually been posting, and I'll be posting this video. From now on, my schedule is going to try and be like every day or something, so you can look forward to new videos probably every day. And so the first one of these I cut out, it wasn't quite round, so I had to cut out a second one, as you'll see in just a moment. Also, I edited this video slightly different. I sped up some parts more than other parts, so I hope you like this kind of editing. And also in this video I won't be spoiling anything that happens in Adventures Endgame, so if you haven't already seen it, you don't have to worry about spoilers in this video. But if you haven't seen it yet and you've seen other Marvel films, which you probably have if you're watching this video, I'd really recommend going to see it. It's a really good movie. So now I'm working on cutting out the actual plastic that I used. I cut out, and now I'm just putting it on and trying it. Now I'm getting some tape and I'm going to wrap it around for all the places I'll wrap wire on, so I know where to wrap it. So I was at first going to just do wire, but then I decided it'd be much easier if I used tape. And there's also thinking about using magnets, but then I just decided not to do that, so I just decided tape would be the easiest, and not like making magnets. I won't be actually using the magnets for the magnets themselves, they just looked like what I needed. And for my projects I just normally use what I have and don't get like a lot of stuff for them. So I think that's a pretty good thing to do if you're building something, to just use what you have. So now I'm just putting tape on it in the 10 places that I'll need to wrap wire around. And I sped this up more, as you can probably tell. While I left like the first one doing it normal speed, so you can see how I do it, and then I just sped up all the other ones, and I'm just putting it down. So I just put that all in there using glue gun and put it out to make them all stay in place, and used a little bit of glue. And I'm going to start wrapping the first one in wire. I did this at I sped it up 2 times, so it's twice as fast as I actually did this, because I tried to make it under 10 minutes so it would not be too long to watch. Well, it's actually about 11 minutes, but it's close enough. But originally it was like 56 minutes of video or something, so I just edited that down. So I'm just wrapping around the wire and trying to make it look nice. And I do like the first one in normal speed, which you can see right now. So I'm just finishing wrapping it around now. And I just trim off the excess wire. So now I'm just wrapping wire around the other one. As you can see, I sped this up quite a bit because I just said people did not want to watch this at normal speed, because it's like 20 minutes to half an hour. I'm not exactly sure how long this part is normally. So as you may have noticed, this is not an RC project, as I said in my last video. In case you did not watch it, I'll be posting other videos now, and I have a pretty big one coming up in the next few days. If you guys want to stay tuned for that. I'll give you a slight hint. If you like Fortnite, it's a popular video game which you've probably heard of. It's something from that, and it's something quite big. Well, not really what I built is big, but it's a big project still. So look forward to that if you like Fortnite. So I'm just finishing wrapping wire. Well, not finishing. I'm just wrapping wire around all of them. If you guys also have any ideas for future projects, stuff from the MCU, anything really, RC projects, video game projects, just anything I could make, or anything I could do with RC. Like, I was thinking about, you know, like Yondu's arrow from Guardians of the Galaxy, like Volume 2 and stuff. I was thinking I could make like that on a drone and something, have that fly around. But I was not sure about that, so that's something I could do in the future. But I'm just working on wrapping wire around the last one, I think, now. And then I'll also be posting videos of me building like balsa wood planes, because from my video yesterday it was part 1 of designing a plan for balsa wood plane, a pipe, a cup, and then I'll be uploading like part 2 in a few days, so you can look forward to that. So now I'm just using magnet to make like the back area and gluing that to some clear plastic to make the back layer. And then I was trying to use some metal to have it go around it, but that just did not really turn out well. It just wasn't twisting well, so I did not end up doing that. Use the metal for something else, which you'll see in a little bit. As you can see, it wasn't exactly getting rounded. I should have probably just edited this out, but I just thought I don't know. So now I'm just doing a bigger layer magnet for the final outside layer. And I'll do a few things in the middle. So now I'm just working on cutting up some excess magnet that I should have cut off beforehand. If you guys want to do this project, I do not have plans in this description, but it's pretty simple. It's just a circle basically. So you can just use anything that's circle and make this at any size. So now I'm just gluing it, the coils of wire and plastic to the magnet pit. And this reactor is not a working one at all, so it doesn't do anything. It just is for decoration. And I tried putting a piece of plastic in it, but that just wasn't staying down, so I decided to use not that reflective like plastic, but just use some normal plastic like I'd use for that. And I tried drawing some cool designs on it, but they weren't accurate, so I just decided to go accurate to the movie one. And this is like his first arc reactor that he builds, like the one he builds in a cave. This is not like the one with his nanotech suit, and I might build that one later. So now I'm just using some metal pieces to make some decoration. Well, not decoration, but like stuff that goes in the middle. So I'm just cutting those and then gluing them in place so you can exactly see them. That's something I still need to work on, and keeping my hands and everything I'm doing inside the camera. Well, not inside the camera. but in view of the camera. And as you can see, I tried that in, and it looks really like the real one kind of, if you have looked at picture. And I'm just using some wire with solder, as you can probably tell, but it's only wire. I have the right thickness for it, and wrap it to a circle, and that will go in the inside. And then I'm just gluing this into the middle. So I think that's about all for this video once I glue it in. So I'll be uploading like every day, hopefully. I'll be trying to at least. So enjoy, and if you're into it, you can subscribe, like if you want to. I don't really care. And that's about all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.